On ninjas. So today we're gonna be installing some new headlight bulbs in the car. We got some aux beams, so we're gonna be installing some new aux beams. This fucking shit wants to come off, god damn it. So here's an aux beam headlight bulb. We're gonna see if this is lighter than the original OEM, the xenon light bulb. It's supposed to be, so we're gonna see. All right, so I'm gonna fast forward this, me taking this off, because there's no need for me to slow-mo anything, so yeah. Fucking Mopar. So I have to take this little plastic piece off so you can give me some more better leverage. Now you see here's a light bulb. This is where the plate will be. You just untwist this, it comes off. Boom. Should be able to twist it off. It's gonna be a bitch. If I gotta take off the, yeah, it looks like I'm about to take the hair filter off. I don't want to. Fuck. Alright. Let me turn you guys back on in a moment. So guys, we gotta go here in the center line. It should be this. You see this right here? You gotta remove that right there. Cause Dodge wants to make things complicated. So it should be right here. Let me get my flashlight. Oh my lord. See right there? Where'd that go? I need that. There you go. You don't want to be losing this at all. You need this. Go back in. So now what you're gonna do is grab around it. You're gonna wrap around it, pop it out. If you don't damage the wide body on your car when you're doing this, so pop it out. Mopar charges customers so much money because it's a cut defer. I think you gotta pop all over. See? Yeah. I'll be back in a minute. Oh gosh. Out with the old and in with the new. Jesus Christ, that's fucking. I couldn't even take it out. I had to have the tech take it out. Weak ass. We had to take the whole wheel off just to get to that. And mind you, I gotta put the bolt. I gotta put these little plastic studs back in there. So yeah. So far, installing headlight bulbs on a fucking Dodge is a cunt, especially Scatpacks and Hellcats. LED xenon. That's definitely better than this shit.